Hi there, today I want to show you how I created these 24-piece press-on nails, and of course they are Christmas nails because we're in the season for that. So welcome to the channel if you haven't been here yet. My name is Belkis, and yeah, I like to do everything about nails in this channel, and sometimes I like to try different things, but mainly nails. First, I collected all the nails that I needed. So the nail tips I'm using, they come in a box with 11 sizes. So I took 2 nails and that was 22. So I added 2 extra nails to make it 24 piece. And I usually grab the extra 2 nails for the most used sizes, like the size 4 or size 5, which are the ones that usually go on the index, ring finger, and the middle. Those are the most used ones. So that's why I added the 2 extras on those sizes. Once I have all the nails, as you can see here, I'm prepping the nail tips. I filed any rough edges. I prepped the nails very well just to create a very good base for painting. And I'm using a dust collector because I don't want to be breathing the dust. So here I just place the nails on the nail stands, and I'm using primer. Instead of buffing the nail tips, I use primer. This is a Model One's primer, and it creates like a sticky layer for the gel polish, and in that way I don't have to apply base gel, because when it comes to press-on nails, I prefer to keep them on the thinner side because they can get really thick really fast. And for whoever you are creating those nails, for yourself or for customers. Yes, for customers, because by the way, I just opened an Etsy store, so you guys have a look, go and visit my brand new store. And I'm gonna be posting these nails right there today. So I'm gonna be trying different things from the store. I'm gonna be offering custom nails, like those are nails that are gonna be pre-ordered by you with your design and everything else. And I'm gonna be offering sets like this, ready to ship, 24 sizes, so you don't have to measure your nails or anything like that. This is more convenient, but I probably will have to charge a little bit more because you're gonna have 24 pieces, and these are handmade. Anyways, going back to the nails, once I prep the nails with a primer, I went already with a gel polish, and I'm using beautiful gel polishes just for Christmas, a dark green, a beautiful red, and I purchased this on Amazon, and they are from the brand Model Ones. So I'm gonna let you watch the whole process. It's pretty straightforward, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. That's why I put YouTube videos and tutorials to help someone like me. That when I start to do nails, I was going to YouTube and watching other people's tutorials to learn, and I did learn a lot. So now it's my turn to return the favor and help you if you have any questions. So thank you so much for staying here with me and watching the video, and yes, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you at the end of the video.